Welcome back. 10-minute low impact leg strength building, mind sharpening workout for you today. I got my makeshift chair. Grab a chair if you got one. We're just going to do some step ups. I'm going to move fast and furious today. Let's level up a little bit. Modify the workouts to suit your needs, of course, but let's push ourselves a little bit today. We want to build incredible leg strength so that we have sharp minds well into our 80s, 90s, even in to 100 years old. Let's go. Going to get nice cardio strength built today as well. We're going to move quickly through the 10 minutes. So you want to have a chair because you got a couple exercises that maybe you can help with your balance today, just to hold on to the top of the chair. Do your best. Stick with me. Short, simple, but massively effective. We're in the beautiful forest today. It is raining. There's no bad weather, just bad clothing, as they say here in the Nordics. Couple more. Brilliant. Just walk it out, but with pace. This is your reminder to get outside, walk as much as you can today. Swing those arms, really swing them. Let's pump. Let's get going. This is just getting you started today. Shake off the cobwebs. Let's go. This is also a little bit of an encouragement. You see the fallen log, don't stop and just read. Maybe we do a couple box jumps, a couple toe taps, walk across it to build balance. And then we stop and enjoy the fresh air and read our book. Keep moving. Okay, right back. Let's go. Tap it up with pace. Same exercise a few times today. Eliminate the monkey mind. Oh, this is boring. We're doing the same thing. Boredom. What a ridiculous word. Look at this beautiful world we live in. These beautiful bodies we have. Every movement, every moment can be exceptional if we see it with awe. As opposed to, oh, the same old, same old. No. Every time I get my leg up here, tap my toe, is a wonder. And we are building this amazing leg strength. A few more. A little bit quicker. Come on. Get it up there. And brilliant. I'm just going to move laterally. Mobility in the hips. When you're out on your evening walk, take a few moments to walk laterally, to walk backwards. Mix it up. Dynamic as possible. Now swing the arms with it too. Just get a nice flow. Let's stick with this for a moment. Remember to breathe. Connect to this moment. This moment is eternity. Let's have a little twist. Over, twist. Oh, mama, that's good. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, and go. Oh, endorphins, yes. Those feel good chemicals. Just a little light movement. Maybe you don't have as much space as I do here. So, just side to side. Whatever you can do, always modify, make it work for you. Pick up the pace when you can, slow it down when you need to. But hope you got your chair. Let's go, step it up. Maybe when you're out, you see a flight of stairs. Can do this on the stairs too. Increasing our range of motion. Now you see, maybe I can go to the third or the fourth step and get my leg up there a few times. Come on. Don't stop now. Oh, maybe I get my head up. There we go. Couple more. And yes. Connect to the breath for just a moment. So if you have a chair, this is great. You're not going to see me as well because I'm blocked, but you know what I'm doing. Coming up with my tippy toes, calf raise. So maybe hold on to the chair while you do this, but just come up onto the balls of your feet, onto your tippy toes. Maybe if you can take the hand off the top of the chair a couple times. Brilliant. Building balance. Engage your core. Presence. Building amazing strength in the calf muscles. Mobility in the ankles here. You know why we do all this. So we live as disease-free as we possibly can. When we move, we make better food choices. We have higher self-esteem, higher quality of sleep, more patience. Yes, we just love to move. Let's go. Hold it for an extra moment when you come up there on the balls of your foot. Yes, real balance. Couple more. Nice. Okay. A bit of a jog. Again, open up your hands. Really stretch out your fingers just to feel the sensation. Pump the arms up on the balls of the feet. If you can't, just come into a march, slow it down, walk, whatever suits you. But if we can go a little quicker, happy days. Head up. Focus on that breath. Just another moment here. Oh, feel how great it feels to swing the arms. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, shake the arms out. Shake, shake, shake. Let's go one more round of step ups. Our best effort yet. I'm not going to say anything. Just go, connect to your breath, watch the monkey mind, just bring it back. This is the most important thing we're going to do today. And then the next thing you do, that'll be the most important thing, but we focus on this moment right now. Let's go. Come on. You got this. Don't quit. Three, two, one. Bingo, bango, bongo. Yes. That's it today. That's it. We have amazing leg strength now. Now we have sharp minds. We are amazing. Let's just take a moment. Just stand in mountain pose. Just notice your body. Take it all in. Take this level of presence throughout your day. See the world with fresh eyes and wonder. Just be inspired and in awe of the beauty of all of it, even the challenges and the difficulties. Just opportunities to grow, become the best version of ourselves. Hallelujah. Feel amazing. Hope you do too. Comment, job done, feeling great. Inspire others, inspire me. I will see you tomorrow. Well done.